How to redeem Expedia 1 key cash. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open up any web browser and search for Expedia 1 key. Then click on this website that says Join 1 key. Once you're here, it says earn 1 key cash for every dollar spent on eligible hotels, vacation rentals, flights, car rentals, and more. So click on the option of sign in. Once you click on this option, you will have to sign into your account. You can use your Google account or enter your email address. Additionally, you can also use your Apple account or Facebook account. Once you have been signed into your account, you want to follow the on-screen prompts in order to join the 1 Key loyalty program. Once you join it, you're going to get the blue tier. There are 4 earning status, which is blue, silver, gold, and platinum. Since you only signed up, you get the blue tier. Once you're here, you can earn 1 key cash by eligible bookings. The reward currency for 1 key is called 1 key cash. Members earn 1 key cash on eligible bookings across all 3 brands, Expedia, Hotels.com, and Vrbo. You can earn 1 key cash by booking flights or any other bookings such as car rentals, cruising, activity packages, and much more. However, taxes and fees are not eligible for reward earning. Once you have earned 1 key cash, if you want to redeem it, then you can do that by flight redemptions. You can use your 1 key cash to pay for the total cost of your flight tickets. However, you cannot use your 1 key cash to partially cover the cost of your tickets, nor can you use them to cover anything not already included in the ticket fare. 1 key cash is also redeemable for hotel rooms with participating brands, but only on pay now rates. You can also use it for short-term rental redemptions. You can fully or partially cover the cost of participating short-term rentals. You can also use your 1 key cash to partially or fully cover the cost of pay now activities and insurance. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.